Hi, my name is Gary Kay, Customer Success Manager at Link3D. Today, let's discuss data collection and acquisition. How would you like data to better serve your additive manufacturing operations? By using the 5 W's to question your data needs, we can construct the best action plan for collecting data to power your 3D printing operations. Why collect data? Data collection helps us better understand your additive manufacturing ROI. Using smart data correctly helps your organization be more proactive, intelligent, and informed to make smart decisions. When to collect data? From start to finish of each phase to provide real-time awareness and a historical overview of your full-stream manufacturing processes. Where to collect data? To tell the most accurate story for all stakeholders, it's increasingly important to capture data from order submission throughout your entire production lifecycle. What data to collect? Consider your company's key metrics and KPIs to capture the data which offers the most value to drive productivity and enable more efficient operations. How is the data collected? Data can be collected automatically through APIs, OPC UA connectivity with machines, third-party software that data can be pushed and/or pulled, or by manual entry. For different use cases, Link3D system has a method to collect the right data to enable organizations to better understand and run their operations.